Yes, trenders, back. Jordan, style versus trend. You know the deal by now, man. So let's just get into it. So I'm not even gonna go on yet because we've still been getting a whole load of L's. But listen, we're just trying to make a deal. We're just trying to make it. We're trying to make it happen. But here we are, massive box from our friends at Adidas. Now this is funny because I don't even know what could have come that was in such a big ass box. Here we go. 500s. I don't know any like latest 500s that have popped out, guys. So this is gonna be a new one for real. So here we are. 500. Miss Slate. I think it's Miss Slate. It's gonna be Miss Slate. You know that. So obviously, it's the Misty Stone. I think that's the ones I'm rocking at the minute. The Miss Slate. I know these ones. Okay. It's like a little stony vibe. Okay. All right. Let me get these out. Let me see when these are. I don't even know why these are dropping. These can't be new. These must be a restock, guys. This must be a restock. Yeah, so these are the Mist Stone. Guys are just telling me, so these are like a restock. Now what they're telling me is Adidas must have just had pity on us and they're like, look, you guys haven't won for long, catching all these L's. However, let's keep you interested. And they gave us like an exclusive, the guys are saying they gave us like an exclusive like drop. You know, sometimes, so like, listen, if you don't know, get the Confirmed app, because every so often when they're feeling generous and they see how much L's you're catching, I swear it's because of that. They just drop you a few restocks, a few restocks that they've had, and they just, just drop them again. So these are the Miss Stones. Now, these were back in in February of this year. And obviously I call it L10, but I got a W today, you know them ones, yeah? So yeah, so okay, look, I'm really liking my Misty Stone, I really am. So, Miss Slate, these ones, Miss Slate, yeah, so these are the Miss Slate. So I'm really, my Misty Stones are, like I said, I'm rocking them all the time. Guy was like, so guy dropped in the comments, these are not winter ones. I'm like, dude, they're the most comfortable, warm ass, non-winter trainers I have, do you know what I mean? So listen, these are Defo. And this colorway is Defo for now. It is Defo like a winter, fall if you're in the States, autumn if you're here, like colorway. It just is, man. I know it's supposed to be grey, but it looks kind of green to me. I quite like it. It's one of those like understated. Do you know, if you was one of the mad walkers and hikers, man, you rock this up on the mountaintop, people wouldn't even look at you different. They would just be like, oh, okay, yeah. And you're like, yeah, these are Yeezys. But listen, the thing is, ain't nobody wearing these on the mountaintop, so I don't even know why. But listen, man, I went mine to the park like that. But yeah, how do I feel about this? Okay, so firstly, you get these out the box. Look at that. Come on. There's no tissue in there, nothing, and it's just like, I don't know, like big foot has just stepped on them, like literally just stepped on them and said, yeah, I'm gonna just step on these right here. I'm gonna just spoil them for you. I mean, like, why? And then, I'm gonna be a bit critical, yeah? So just going through, there's just like little scuff marks here, the glue's gone over the top, again, the glue's gone over the top there, and it's just like, come on, guys. Dude, I ain't even lying. These look even worn. If they weren't from Adidas, yeah, I'd be thinking that these have been worn on like some dodgy dead stock. The rubber's coming up a bit. It's just like, I know, but one thing I did notice, so okay then, so guys, you probably know better than I, right? So, some of you heads out there anyways, these haven't got the infinity laces. When I was doing the Miss Stone, I was talking about how the infinity laces do make it tight. They do make it tight, but it'll be nice to see what they're like without, the normal laces on. I really like that. I really like that touch. Maybe they thought of that and then they just went back, kind of backs and forwards, just changed their minds like mad. So anyway, you know the materials by now, right? Suede along here, got some premium leather on the upper sole here, again with the cushions. Yeah, with the rubber midsole here, that tough rubber, and then obviously the undersole is just rugged. But yeah, soft. You know, it's like it's hard here, and then on the cushions here, it's soft. Like I keep saying, my Mistone, I'm rocking them all the time. They're just so comfortable, and these are a 10.5. So the guys did me well. They did me well. They got me a 10.5. So I said to you, when you're going for these highs, you have to go a size and a half. Literally a size and a half up, because they're just so comfortable. Literally all day wear. Talking about all day wear. Let's get these on. So what we saying? Listen, I like them, man. And soon they might be my favorite silhouette, you know, because I don't know, man. These highs, I like the way that they're chunky on the feet. They're not trying to be anything apart from chunky on the feet and comfortable. I keep telling you guys, these are so comfortable, and I like it again. These were the 10.5 up, 10.5, so it's a size and a half up from my normal size, and they just fit lovely. I really like it without the infinity laces. I didn't struggle to get them on. Like normally, like didn't struggle to get them on. The only problem now is about how to do the laces. But yo, I leave that to you guys to figure it out. So, cop, drop, cop, for sure. No, literally, guys. I think you just gotta cop these. I mean, on the resale market, just a quick use on the resale market, they're not even too bad. They're not even too bad. So, you know, I'm not a fan of buying stuff on the resale, sorry. But these, listen, you can get them under retail. Definitely worth a cop if you can. Therefore worth a cop. But yo, listen, it's been good. Adidas have seen pity on us and they decided to drop us an exclusive, members only or whatever. But yo, man, we're grateful, man. We're grateful because we need more content for you guys. But listen, look, you know, we're in the hunt for the 700s, so hopefully we can cop them, and if we are, I'll be back to let you know my thoughts.